Food lovers, have you ever tried fried pork before? If not, come let's do this together. The first thing we're going to do is wash the pork with a lot of lime, salt, and vinegar. Then we're going to pour some hot water on the pork. Let it sit until the water cools. Drain the pork and get ready to season. First, we're adding some blended season to the pork along with some Maggi all-purpose seasoning, some complete seasoning, some paprika, and also some garlic powder. I'm also going in with a little adobo all-purpose seasoning. This is my favorite season, along with some pimento seeds. The pimento seed can be crushed. In goes some nutmeg. I love adding nutmeg to pork. 1 scotch bonnet pepper with some rosemary. Now we're going to combine all that ingredients together, guys, and mix it in very well. Once everything is coated nicely, we're going to cover this and let it marinate for a day or two. After marinating, add the pork to a Dutch pot, guys. Place it on low heat and just let the pork cook in its own juice. The pork will release its own water. So just saute it slowly until it fully cooks, where the pork is tender. Once the pork fully cooked, we're going to remove it from the sauce. By this time, the sauce is nice and juicy. So after we remove it, we're just going to set that sauce aside. Now we're going to heat up some vegetable oil in a Dutch pot. I'm testing one to see if the oil hot, and then I'm going to go ahead and drop a few pieces of pork in the oil. Rule of thumb, guys, don't leave the pork in the oil for too long. 2, 3, 4 minutes, we're good to go. You just want to get that nice golden color and it's all done. I made some pickle for this pork and it